Alphabets Party.
Hello, everyone. I'm the letter B. And I'm so happy to be here with all of you today. I'm the second letter in the alphabet. B. 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 My sound is
B, B,
Try it with me.
B, B,
Great job. Bear. Bear.
B, B,
Bubbles. Bubbles.
B, B,
Banana. Banana.
B, B,
Butterfly. Butterfly.
B, B,
Bus. Bus. You can find me in the middle of words too.
B, B,
Rabbit. Rabbit. Very nice. Let's learn to write both my uppercase and lowercase forms.
Uppercase.
A straight line from top to bottom. A big bump that goes out to the right and comes back to the middle of the line. Another bump starting from the middle of the line to the bottom.
B. Lowercase.
A straight line from top to bottom. A small bump starting from the middle of the line to the bottom.
B.
Well done, kids. Now let's have some super duper dance.
B is for bear, big and brown. B is for ball, bounce it around. B is for butterfly, beautiful and bright. B is for banana, a tasty delight. B, B, that's me. In the alphabet, come and see. From bird to boat, I'm here to play. Letter B, let's sing and sway. B is for bunny, hopping with glee. B is for bubble, floating free. B is for bee, buzzing around. In every word, I can be found. B, B, that's me. In the alphabet, I'm full of glee. From blue to butterfly, you'll find. Let it be, I'm one of a kind. B is for baby, sleeping tight. B is for book, open it right. With my sound, let's make it fun. Letter B for everyone. B is for bunny, hopping with glee. B is for bubble, floating free. B is for bee, buzzing around. In every word, I can be found. Oh, oh, B, B, that's me. In the alphabet, I'm full of glee. From blue to butterfly, you'll find. Letter B, I'm one of a kind. Oh, is for book. Open it right. With my sound, let's make it fun. Let it be for everyone.
Hey kids! Enjoyed the video? Show some love by hitting like and subscribing for more awesome learning adventures. Thanks for watching!